Today on Tips, Tricks, and Tweaks, we're going to talk about windshield wipers. They're a little bit confusing sometimes because the left one is longer than the right one and the right one is longer than the left one. What I mean to say there is this arm from the end right here, where the end of the metal arm, to the knuckle back here is about 22 inches on the left-hand side. If we go over here to the right-hand side, the passenger side, from that same knuckle down to the pivot point is about 24 inches. So the long arm is on the passenger side, but the windshield wipers are the other way around. That windshield wiper is only a little over 20 inches, where this one's going to be about 22. Oh, driver's side. It's going to be about 22, 23 inches even. So by opening the hood, you can get at them a little bit better. Notice right away, this one has all sorts of problems, so we're going to replace that. It's also coming down way too far, and that's the trick of the day. We're going to pull it off back here at the knuckle and straighten that up so that when they're in the relaxed position as they are right now, we want a straight line across the bottom of the windshield here from one wiper to the other. So today, for adjusting these windshield wipers, it looks like this right side one could come down a little bit, and the left side one definitely needs to come up. So we're going to start by pulling this up here, and we're going to pull this up here. Half inch or a 13 millimeter. Breaks that loose. Breaks that one loose. Any little pry tool will help you get in there and pop that loose. Now, with the windshield wipers aligned straight across the bottom of the glass, put the speed wrench back on there, snug them up. There, put the hood close, got a nice straight line of windshield wipers. Now let's replace them. Just rotate it this way. Sometimes there's a little clip right here somewhere. And pull down. It sneaks out of there. Again over here, rotate it this way. Pull down. Comes right out of there. All right, some wipers come, some assembly required. If I'm not mistaken, for our wipers, we don't need that. This is the 24-inch wiper. So which side does that go on? Driver's side, where the short arm gets the long wiper. So we're gonna slide that through like so, tip it over that way, pull it back up until it clicks, and it doesn't want to come back out. And that wiper's done. All right, so we find the little clip. It lines up, the little clip lines up with a little hole there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. Yeah, there we go. With that little hole. So we want to make sure it's on this side over here. Put that on. Click. A little click there so it doesn't want to come back off. Two windshield wipers just like they ought to be. Thank you, Mr. Sprinter, for volunteering your time.
Wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off.
Yeah, but
Wax on, right hand. Wax off, left hand. Wax on, wax off. Breathe. In through nose, out the mouth. Wax on, wax off. Don't forget to breathe. Very important. Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off.